Hello students and welcome back to Standard 9th Maths Digital class. Today we will continue with the next topic of chapter 2 real numbers, and the name of topic is absolute value. Now let's define absolute value. If x is a real number, then absolute value of x is its distance from 0 on the number line, which is written using two vertical lines, and it is read as absolute value of x or modulus of x. So if x is greater than 0, if x is greater than 0 means x is a positive number, then absolute value of x or modulus of x is equal to x. Now if x is equal to 0, then modulus of x is equal to 0, and if x is less than 0, that is if x is a negative number, then modulus of negative x is equal to x. Now let's understand this better with an example. For example, what is the absolute value of 2? Now you can see the number line here. Now what is the absolute value of 2? Now the distance of 2 from 0 is 2 units, right? So this is 2 units, 1, 2. So that means modulus of 2 or absolute value of 2 is equal to 2. Let's see one more example. What is the absolute value of negative 3? Now see, the distance between 0 and negative 3 is 1, 2, 3 units. Okay. So therefore, absolute value we will write inside the vertical lines. So absolute value or modulus of negative 3 is equal to 3. Now students, the absolute value of any number is always positive, okay, because the distance between any 2 points is always positive, okay. Let's see few examples. So here the first example is find the value of modulus or absolute value of 9 minus 5. Now here we'll first find the difference. So this is equal to modulus sign. So we have to write as it is. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now the modulus of 4 is equal to 4. Let's see the second one. Here we have to find the difference of modulus value of 8 and modulus value of negative 3. So we will first solve. We'll first find out the modulus value of 8. So this is equal to, modulus value of 8 is 8. Then in between we have minus sign. So we'll write it as it is. Now modulus value of negative 3 is positive 3, right? So this is equal to positive 3, and 8 minus 3 is 5. Now let's see one more example. The question is solve modulus of x minus 5 equals to 2. This is given and we have to find the value of x. Now it is modulus of x minus 5. So it means x minus 5 can be a positive number or it can be a negative number. We have two possibilities, that x minus 5 is equal to positive 2 or x minus 5 equals to negative 2. Okay, so we have to find two values of x. So here x is equal to 2 plus 5, which is equal to 7, or x is equal to negative 2 plus 5, and which is equal to plus 3. So there are two values, that is x can be 7 or the value of x can be 3. Now let's solve practice set 2.5. Now the first question is find the value of. Now here we have to find the value of modulus of 15 minus 2. So this is equal to, so 15 minus 2 is 13. Now modulus of 13 is equal to 13. Let's take one more sum. Modulus of 4 minus 9. Now this is equal to modulus of, what is 4 minus 9? 4 minus 9 is negative 5. So modulus of negative 5 and equals to, now modulus of negative 5 is 5. So it's done. Now let's do question number 2. Let's solve question number 2. Question number 2 is solve modulus of 3x minus 5 equals to 1. Now modulus of 3x minus 5. So 3x minus 5 can be a positive number or it can be a negative number. So therefore 3x minus 5 is equal to, we have to take two values, that is positive 1 or 3x minus 5 equals to negative 1. Okay, so let's solve both. So 3x is equal to 1 plus 5, which is equal to 6. So 3x equals to 6 and therefore x equals to 6 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. So therefore x is equal to 2. So this is the first value of x. Let's find out the second one. 3x equals to negative 1 plus 5, which is equal to, so negative 1 plus 5 is plus 4. Okay, so 3x equals to plus 4. Therefore next step, x is equal to 4 upon 3. Therefore the two possible values of x are x equals to 2 or x equals to 4 by 3. Okay. Question number 3. Modulus of 8 minus x upon 2 equals to 5. So again 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to, first value will take positive 5 and the second one negative 5. So or 8 minus x upon 2 equals to negative 5. Now let's solve both of this. So here 8 minus x is equal to 2 multiplied by 5. So therefore 8 minus x is equal to 10. Next step. Now negative x is equal to 10 minus 8. This is equal to 10 minus 8 is 2. So therefore negative x equals to 2. So x is equal to negative 2. Okay, so this is the value of x, first value of x. Or let's find out the second possible value. 8 minus x equals to negative 5 multiplied by 2. So therefore 8 minus x equals to negative 10. So negative x equals to negative 10, negative 8. So negative x equals to negative 18. Okay, now both sides we have negative signs, so they will cancel each other, and therefore x is equal to 18. So therefore the two possible values of x are negative 2 and positive 18. Okay, students, today we have completed chapter 2, real numbers. Hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.